Alright guys, channel I'm back, and what I want to share with you today is that I have a MacBook Pro 13-inch retina display, which is one of the 2015 models. What happened was I spilled coffee inside it, so everything just stopped to work. I had to open up the whole complete bloody computer. It's First of all, let me tell you that if ever you spill coffee in your uh, MacBook, don't attempt to open it, because it's quite complicated. It's not straightforward, and I had to open it for this is the fourth time I'm opening it, as the connectors don't sit properly, and there are other issues as well. So if you guys ever experience any issues, just let me quickly show you and tell you which connector sits where. So just to first of all show you that this is the logic board for the MacBook Pro 13-inch. That's the SSD where all the memory sits, and then I think so the RAM is over here, and that's the processor. I've removed the fan, which is right now over here, and so first of all, let's go to this point. So this first connector, this one is your speaker connector, and then these connectors are basically, that one is for the keyboard, and here you have the I/O extension, which connects to this part of the motherboard to this part, so that bridges it. And then what we have over here, this is the main battery connector. So the batteries are all connected there. The wiring is routed through a certain way, and then it connects to this connector over here. Right, on this hand, I'm not too sure what this connector is, but one of the connectors, that's one for the speaker, which goes right over here. There's a very small connector, which I'm not too sure what it does. And then we have the main screen connector, which is that one. It goes over here, the display. And then we have another connector, which is the I'm not too sure what this connector is. And lastly, we have a connector which I actually forgot to put in, and I had to open up the whole logic board. And that is, if you look at, it's this connector over here. What this connector does is basically this connector is your keyboard lights connector. So guys, as I said, if you spill coffee or water into your MacBook Pro through your keyboard, just turn it off and just leave it. I would rather say not to attempt opening it, because there are too many screws, as you can see over here, and they're not straightforward. These screws are not like regular, like opening up a Dell or whatever Sony computer. As you can see, I'm using a T5 screwdriver. Then I need to use another screwdriver for specific screws. And the problem with it, with Apple products, is that they're just like Mercedes-Benz or all those fancy cars. They produce their own tools, and they have their own way, because they don't want people to go inside their equipment and fiddle around with it. So as you can see, the screws are of different lengths. They might be of the same area. Like, say, for the fan, you have 3 different types of screws. For the outer casing, you have different screws. If I could just quickly show you over here. Okay, right, so if you look over here, these screws are different, and then we have that screw is different. So most of the screws are even different, so it's quite tricky, to be honest. And I mean, I just took the risk to open it, but I wouldn't suggest you, if your MacBook especially is in warranty, just don't try fiddling with it. Give it to the experts. Send it to the Apple Store and let them do it. I mean, yeah, that's more better. You save your warranty and you don't get into the hassle of you know probably just throwing it in the bin in the end of the day. So so yeah, guys, this is what I wanted to share with you. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions or comments, just leave it in the comment section below. And sorry about the shaky video, because I'm just making it from my iPhone. Alright guys, thanks a lot.